Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Charles Schwab Brokerage account. First, navigate to the official Charles Schwab website. Look for the Login button, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Click this button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will need to accurately enter your unique user ID and password. Double-check your credentials before submitting to ensure a smooth login process and access your account dashboard. Once you have successfully logged in, you will arrive at your personalized account dashboard. This central hub provides an overview of all your Charles Schwab accounts, including checking, savings, and investment accounts. Carefully scan the list to identify your specific brokerage account. It will typically be labeled clearly. Click directly on the name or number of your brokerage account to delve deeper into its specific details, transactions, and holdings. Within your brokerage account, you can review your current portfolio, including all your investments, their market value, and any recent activity. You'll also find options to access important documents such as monthly statements, tax forms like Form 1099, and confirmations for any trades you've made. Explore the various navigation menus to find specific investment tools, research options, or to initiate new transactions. This section provides a comprehensive view of your investment performance. If you encounter any difficulties or have specific questions about your brokerage account, Charles Schwab offers robust customer support. You can contact their customer service team directly via phone for immediate assistance, or use the secure message center within your account for non-urgent inquiries. They are available to help you navigate your account and understand your investments. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Don't miss out on upgrading your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.